Common, wild, and birds. First common animals. Bat, bee, cat, cicada, cow, cricket, dog, donkey, duck, frog, goat, goose, hen, llama, locust, mosquito, mouse, pig, rooster, sheep, squirrel, swan, turkey. Next, wild animals. Bear, bison, camel, cheetah, chimp, coyote, crocodile, deer, dolphin, elephant, fox, gecko, gorilla, hippo, horse, hyena, leopard, lion, meerkat, monkey, moose, panda, peacock, penguin, rattlesnake, rhino, seal, stoat, tiger, warthog, whale, wolf, zebra. Last, birds. Bald eagle, blackbird, bluebird, blue jay, blue tit, budgie, bullfinch, canary, cardinal, cockatiel, crane, crow, cuckoo, dove, eagle, egret, falcon, finch, flamingo, great tit, grabe, hawk, heron, hummingbird, kestrel, kingfisher, kookaburra, linnet, lyrebird, macaw, mockingbird, moorhen, nightingale, ostrich, owl, parakeet, parrot, pelican, pheasant, pigeon, puffin, quail, raven, redpoll, robin, sandpiper, seagull, sparrow, starling, stork, swallow, thrusher, toucan, vulture, woodpecker, wren. That's it.